Here's a 2015 INFINITI Q70L. Follow the fluidic styling into the elegant interior and experience comfort beyond comparison thanks to nearly 6 more inches of legroom in the rear seat. It's well equipped with the features you need: external memory control, dual zone climate control, intelligent key, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, active noise cancellation, power tilting steering column, auto dimming rear view mirror, and power with tilt-down heated mirrors. Car and Driver concluded that 5.9 inches of added rear knee room can indeed go a long way toward turning a relatively mediocre luxury car into a more compelling proposition. For a distinctive life, you need a distinctive vehicle. INFINITI. You'll never know till you try. Test drive it today.
You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan. You're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.